Hey, it's Emily from Make Tech Work for You. I have a user experience question, and I would really love to get feedback from the community about your thoughts on this. So, my question is about how we handle filtering our data. Filtering data is something that everyone learns right at the beginning of their data spreadsheet tech use. And what it means is that I want to only see some of the information that I'm collecting. So if here I'm collecting organization, person name, website, type of work, contact info, I want to cut down on this information that I'm seeing, this fake information, by the way. So maybe I just want to see people who are doing a certain type of work. Most common way to do that is to apply a filter. So that little filter or martini glass icon, you get a down arrow here, and you can choose just the values that you want to focus in on. Your data becomes a lot more manageable to look at. So I did what I thought was a kind of cool thing. I built a little table that has the same exact data as over here. It's just three of the columns, but it could be all of them. And I built a drop-down filter over here that can do the exact same thing as our regular filter. It just looks a little different. That's the user experience question that I have. What's a better user experience for you? Or what are the instances where one of these would be better over the other? So you can see all your data in your table, in your spreadsheet. You can use your filter. It works great. Or you could have kind of a more formatted table and a set of filters over here, which you could use to cut down on the data you're looking at. One of the differences between this is that when you're over here in this data, you're going to see those values over and over again because they appear on each row. Over here, you just see it once in your filter, not in your table. Also, I know some people are going to say, hey, that dropdown only allows you to have one choice. What if I want to see people who are doing DEI work and management coaching or management coaching? So, yep, that's how it works right now. But I'm just going to pull up this website that says how to make multiple selection and drop-down lists in Google Sheets. So we could make it multi-select if we wanted to. We don't want to right now, but let's say that could work. What's the better user experience at what times and why? Who would use this table view, I'll call it? Who would use this more like an app in your spreadsheet kind of view? Why would you like one over the other? I had a good friend push me on this when I thought I was showing off this sheet that I made, and she kind of put it to me like, why? Why'd you make this? Why? And I thought it was a really good push. I have my thoughts on it, but I am really excited to hear from the community about your thoughts on filtering and user experience in spreadsheets.